Hello student, good morning. Exercise 3.6, question number 2, second part. 2 women and 5 men can together finish their work and एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क. वो एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क मीन्स कढ़ाई बुनाई का काम होता है कंपनी में मजदूरों के द्वारा. इन 4 days while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work, and also that taken by one man alone. You read the question once again. Exercise 3.6, question number 2, second part. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men, that is 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman to complete the work alone and to finish the work by a man complete the work alone. Now solution. Let number of days to complete the work by a woman equal to x. Okay, and number of days to complete the work by a man is equal to y. Okay, number of days complete the work by a woman x days, number of days to complete the work by a man y days. Now 1 day work by a woman is equal to 1 by x, and 1 day work by a man is equal to 1 upon x. Two women will do the work 2 upon x 2 women will do the work 2 upon x, and 5 men will do the work 5 upon y, and together the 2 women and 5 men can finish the work in 4 days. 2 women and 5 men can finish the work in 4 days. So they will complete the work according to problem. 2 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 4 days में कंप्लीट करते हैं, तो ये 1 days 1 by x, 1 days 1 by 1 by ये वुमेन है by ये मैन. बस 2 women can do 2 upon x and 5 men can do 5 upon y. Then that is 4 days together they are completing. So in 1 day they will do 1 upon 4. That is first. Similarly 3 women and 6 men are doing in 3 days. Then 3 upon x plus 6 upon y equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, this is second. Let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Then you see 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Then 2 upon x plus 5 upon y equal to 1 by 4 will be taken as 1 upon x is equal to a, 1 upon y is equal to b. Then 2a plus 5b equal to 1 upon 4. By cross multiply you multiply 8a plus 4 5 is 20b is equal to 1. This is third. And you see 3 upon x plus 6 upon y is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by x a, 1 by y b, then 3a plus 6b. Therefore 3a plus 6b is equal to 1 by 3. By cross multiply, that is 3 3 ja 9a plus 3 6 ja 18b is equal to 1 1 ja 1. This is 4. Now from third and fourth. You solve third and fourth. From third and fourth equations. 8a plus 20b equal to 1 and 9a plus 18b is equal to 1. You equalize the coefficient of a or bb. I am going to equalize the coefficient of bb. So you complete in this equation by 18 and in this equation by 20. Then 18 to 20 into 18 360 and 18 into 20 360, the same will be there. So you multiply 8 8 ja 144a plus 18 into 20 360b is equal to 18 into 1 18, 20 into 9 180a plus 18 into 20 360 b is equal to 1 into 20, 20. See, the same is there, minus, minus, minus. Cut 144a and minus 180a. 180a minus 144a. What will be there? 6. And that is 7, that is 36a. Minus is more, minus 180 is there. So, minus 36a equal to what? 18 and minus 20. So, minus 20 plus 18 minus 2. That is minus minus cancel. A is equal to 2 upon 36 means 2 1 is 2, 2 you divide 36 by 2, 18. A is equal to 1 by 18. And putting A is equal to 1 upon 18 in 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. On putting A is equal to 1 by 18 in 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. You put here, that is 8 into 1 by 18 plus 20b is equal to 1. 8 upon 18 plus 20b is equal to 1. 20b is equal to 1 minus 8 upon 18. 20b into 1 minus 8 upon 18. 20b is equal to 18 minus 8 what? 10 upon 18. That is b equal to 10 upon 20 into 18. 10 to the 20. That is b is equal to 18 to the 36. Okay. The value of b is 1 upon 36 and value of a is equal to 1 upon 18. Now, one upon x equal to a. 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon x is equal to a. So 1 upon x is equal to value of a is 1 upon value of a is 1 upon 18. We put here, that is by cross multiply x is equal to 18 and 1 upon y is equal to b. 1 upon y is equal to b. I have taken 1 upon y is equal to b. Then 1 upon y is equal to b की value 1 upon 36. By cross multiply y is equal to 36. Therefore, answer a woman can finish the work alone in 18 days. A man can finish the work alone in 36 days, because value of x is 18, value of y is 36, and number of days to complete the work by a woman x I have taken in the beginning of the question, and number of days to complete the work by a man I have taken y. So your answer is complete. Okay, student, thank you very much.